Hello everyone and welcome back to our channels. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to zoom in on Instagram Reels. Instagram Reels are a fun way to create and share short videos. And zooming in while recording or viewing them can help highlight specific details or add dramatic effects. So let's explore on how to zoom in on Reels to make your video stand out. Let's follow these few steps together. The first step is to open the Instagram app and swipe left on your home feed to access the camera. And to do so, just go to your Instagram app in your phone, and if you're not logged in, just enter your account's credentials to log in. After that, swipe left on your home feed to access the camera. The second step is to select the Reels option at the bottom of right here, bottom of the screen like you see here, and hold down the recording button to start recording your reel. Now to zoom in, use two fingers on the screen and spread them apart in a pinch to zoom motion, or just move your finger up and down to zoom in. You can also hold the record button and swipe up or down on the screen to zoom in smoothly. For additional tips, experiment with zoom in at different points in your reel for added effects. And if you're editing your reel later, you can use Instagram in-app tools to crop or adjust zoom levels. You can also zoom in on regular reels posted by others. Let's see here. Let's see a reel. We're gonna see this reel. You can zoom in by pinching and spreading your fingers here. To conclude, zooming in on Instagram Reels is a great way to add a professional touch to your video or view details that you can't notice with the regular aspect ratio. Now you can create eye-catching content that draws attention to key details. If you liked this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.